Well, hello everyone, this is Peter Brown with a look at your weather for the next 7 days. Here we are heading in towards the end of February and the start of March, and actually next Tuesday, March 1st, is the first day of meteorological spring, which is a sure sign that we've just about made it towards the end of winter. However, over the next 7 to 10 days here in the Burlington area is going to feel anything but spring-like. We're going to have a real Arctic plunge after a pretty potent weather system moves through on Friday with heavy snow and sleet. So, for those of you who like the warm weather, this is not, unfortunately, the forecast for you. As we start our period on Friday, we should be seeing temperatures at this time of the year in the low 40s. We're going to be about 10 degrees below that, again with some heavy snow and sleet moving into the Burlington area. Not sure right now exactly how much we're going to have, but it's definitely going to be plowable as it looks right now. As we head towards the end of the period, getting in towards the middle of the first week of March, we should be seeing temperatures at this time of the year in the mid-40s. And unfortunately, looking at the weather models, I think we're going to be seeing temperatures nearly 20 degrees cooler than that. So a real Arctic plunge as we head towards the end of the period. The only thing that really denotes that we're heading towards spring is the length of day, as the days keep getting longer and longer. So as we go ahead, let's take a look at what the Climate Prediction Center is calling for us here in the Burlington area over the next 7 to 10 days in terms of temperatures and precipitation. Looking at our temperature map again, nothing really surprising here after the January and February that we've had in the Burlington area. We're expecting pretty good chances of below average temperatures. But looking at the next map, looking at our precipitation chances, they are calling for pretty high chances of below average precipitation. Now, I'm not sure how that's really going to pan out, as we're going to have a pretty moisture-laden system moving through here on Friday with a lot of heavy wet snow and sleet moving through the area. So we'll have to really see if that pans out. But again, once we get by this system on Friday, it looks like it's going to be pretty clear sailing as we head towards the end of the period, albeit pretty cold out there. So as we go ahead, let's take a look at those 7 days of weather coming up again on Friday. This is our real weather action day here in the Burlington area. It is going to be cold out there, very snowy. In fact, we could have some snowfall rates on the 1 to 2 inch per hour range during the morning commute. Very sloppy out there. We're going to see some gradual warming during the day, which may bring some sleet mixed into the picture, but it's just going to make for a real cement-like snow out there. And again, right now, best estimates are looking for 8 to 12 inches of heavy wet snow here in the Burlington area. Thankfully, we're not going to be seeing that strong of a wind and really no type of coastal flooding at all. So that's great news if you're at the coastline. Now, once that storm clears out of here, it is going to get cool out there. It is going to get very cold, especially at night. As you can see on our 7-day forecast, we have a lot of nights down here in the single digits. And probably once we get by that storm on Friday, the only chance of maybe some snow squalls will probably be the middle of the next work week, as we see temperatures go up into the 30s over the weekend, but then go down and plunge down probably into the 20s for the rest of the period. So some real cold weather out there. So everyone, get out there, enjoy the weather, and have a great week.